Camera. People thought they had lost their beloved 4th of July fireworks at Sugar House Park, but those had been saved. Now a local NFL star, born and raised near Liberty Park, has decided to foot the bill for a big fireworks show and celebration there on the 4th of July. Fox 13 Sandy Reescraft is at Liberty Park this afternoon. Hi, Sandy.
Hi, Bob. Yeah, New York Jets defensive tackle Sione Pua grew up just around the corner from here and played some of his first football with friends at Liberty Park. And now he just wants to give back to the community he loves. So, as you said, he's footing the bill for a big fireworks celebration on the 4th of July. And he hopes it becomes an annual event.
He grew up in this neighborhood and probably threw his first football here at Liberty Park, and it's absolutely his way of giving back to the community.
Jeffrey Burke says NFL star Sione Pua's new beverage company called Bula will sponsor and pay for a 4th of July fireworks celebration that will be a first of its kind at Liberty Park.
Live music all day long, legendary world music artists, the Wailers and Gramps Morgan of the Morgan Family Heritage Band, super talented live local performers.
The celebration begins here at 2 p.m. on the 4th. Burke says Pua is bringing some of his pro football friends along to celebrate.
The first hour of the event, the NFL players who will be here in town will be doing some autograph sessions for kids and fans.
The party at Liberty Park will coincide with one at Sugar House Park. And this one, too, is free for anyone who wants to show up.
We haven't done any panhandling for this event. Sione and his team have stepped up and decided to make it happen. We had a lot of discussions about whether this would be a paid admission event, and everybody on the team decided we wanted this to be a free program that everybody in the valley could come and enjoy.
So they're calling this the Bula One Love Celebration. Bula is the new beverage company that Sione has starting up. But again, he wants this to become an annual event and an annual tradition. The day is going to start with a 5K run walk, and that money from that event will all benefit the Huntsman Cancer Center. Bob?
Now, Sandy, do we know which one of these shows, the one at Liberty Park, the one at Sugar House Park, which one of those are going to be bigger?
Good question. I think it's going to be competing celebrations, but I think there are enough community people in this community to support both of them. You know, at Sugar House Park, they expect 30 to 40,000 people there, so they don't know how many people to expect here. They do expect thousands. They're not saying how much this event is going to cost them. They say it's going to be a first-class show, a spectacular fireworks show. As you know, the one at Sugar House Park always is, and that one has a price tag of $75,000. Bob?
All right, Sandy, thanks so much.